Ever daydreamed about turning a small investment into a life-changing fortune? Imagine this. You invest in a little-known company, watch it skyrocket, and boom, you're a millionaire. It's the ultimate stock market fantasy. But is it just a pipe dream or a tangible possibility? The truth is, while the stock market can be volatile and unpredictable, it also presents incredible opportunities for those willing to learn the ropes. Fortunes have been made and lost in the blink of an eye, and the allure of striking it rich continues to captivate investors worldwide. But before you dive headfirst into the stock market frenzy, remember this: knowledge is your most powerful weapon. This isn't about throwing darts at a board and hoping for the best. It's about strategic planning, meticulous research, and a deep understanding of the forces that drive market movements. So if you're ready to embark on this exhilarating journey and unlock the potential of the stock market, buckle up. We're about to delve into the exciting, albeit sometimes risky, world of stock picking. Let's face it, there's an undeniable thrill in picking your own stocks. It's like a high-stakes treasure hunt where you're constantly searching for the next hidden gem. You devour financial news, analyze charts, and scrutinize company reports, all in pursuit of that one stock that will catapult your portfolio into the stratosphere. The excitement intensifies when you finally stumble upon a promising candidate. You hit the buy button, your heart races, and you eagerly track its every move. Will it soar to new heights or plummet to the depths of despair? It's an adrenaline rush like no other. But it's not just about the thrill. Picking your own stocks gives you a sense of ownership and control over your financial destiny. You're not just passively investing in an index fund, you're actively shaping your future. You're calling the shots, making calculated risks, and reaping the rewards of your hard work and insights. This hands-on approach to investing can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to align your investments with your values and beliefs. Are you passionate about renewable energy? Invest in solar panel companies? Do you believe in the future of electric vehicles? Seek out innovative EV startups. The possibilities are endless. Hold on tight, because the stock market is not for the faint of heart. While the potential rewards are enticing, the risks are very real. Remember, every investment comes with its own set of uncertainties, and the stock market is no exception. It's a dynamic beast, constantly influenced by a complex web of factors, from economic data to geopolitical events and even investor sentiment. One minute, the market's soaring to record highs, fueled by optimism and exuberance. The next, it's plummeting into a downward spiral, driven by fear and uncertainty. It's a roller coaster ride that can leave even the most seasoned investors feeling queasy. That's why it's crucial to approach stock picking with a healthy dose of caution and a well-defined strategy. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment or succumb to the hype surrounding the latest hot stock. Remember, what goes up can come down just as quickly, and chasing after quick profits can often lead to devastating losses. The key to navigating this minefield is to arm yourself with knowledge, develop a sound investment plan, and be prepared for the inevitable ups and downs of the market. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced financial advisors or mentors who can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Let's dive into the fascinating world of stock analysis. Think of it as developing X-ray vision to uncover a company's true value. There are two primary methods: fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis examines financial statements and industry trends. It's like looking under a car's hood to assess its condition. Technical analysis charts price movements to identify patterns. It's like studying a weather map to predict future patterns. Many investors use both methods to make informed decisions. Fundamental analysis reveals a company's financial health, while technical analysis identifies entry and exit points. Master these tools to make informed investment decisions. Knowledge is power. Understand the companies you invest in. Unearthing hidden gems in the stock market can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, intrepid investor. Proven strategies can help you identify promising opportunities. Focus on industries experiencing rapid growth and disruption. Think e-commerce, cloud computing, or AI. These technologies create new markets and propel companies to new heights. Identify companies with a strong competitive advantage, or moat. This could be a unique product, loyal customers, or a powerful brand, or a significant cost advantage. Companies with wide moats withstand competition and maintain profitability. Remember the importance of patience and discipline. Successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your plan, stay informed, and focus on long-term potential. Section 6, a stock story from humble beginnings to market domination. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit the incredible journey of Amazon.com. Back in the mid-1990s, Amazon was a fledgling online bookstore operating out of Jeff Bezos's garage. Few could have predicted the meteoric rise of this internet startup, which would go on to revolutionize retail, cloud computing, and countless other industries. What set Amazon apart from the competition? A relentless focus on customer experience, a culture of innovation, and a willingness to invest heavily in new technologies and business models. From its early days as an online bookstore, Amazon expanded into new markets, from electronics and apparel to groceries and streaming entertainment. The company's cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services, emerged as a dominant force in the industry, powering countless websites and applications worldwide. Amazon's Prime membership program created a loyal customer base, locking in recurring revenue and driving sales across its vast ecosystem. Amazon's journey from humble beginnings to market dominance is a testament to the power of innovation, customer centricity, and long-term vision. It's a reminder that even the most unassuming companies can achieve extraordinary success with the right strategy, leadership, and execution. Section 7, the bottom line. Knowledge is power in the stock market game. As we've explored the exciting and sometimes daunting world of stock picking, one key takeaway remains paramount. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. Understanding the intricacies of the market, mastering the tools of analysis, and developing a disciplined investment strategy are crucial for success. Remember, stock picking is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn from both your successes and failures. Embrace the challenge, stay informed, and never stop seeking new knowledge and insights. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, offering both incredible opportunities and potential pitfalls. By approaching it with a strategic mindset, a commitment to learning, and a healthy dose of caution, you can navigate its complexities and unlock its potential for long-term wealth creation. Section 8. Join the conversation. Share your stock picks and strategies. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on the stock market? Have you uncovered any hidden gems or developed winning strategies? Share your insights, stock picks, and investment philosophies in the comments below. Let's learn from each other, exchange ideas, and foster a community of passionate investors. Remember, the more we share our knowledge and experiences, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the exciting world of stock picking and achieve our financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, your perspective is valuable and can contribute to the collective wisdom of our community. So don't be shy, join the conversation, and let's explore the endless possibilities of the stock market together. Section 9, Beyond the Horizon, exploring the vast world of investing. While stock picking can be an exhilarating and potentially lucrative endeavor, it's just one piece of the vast investment puzzle. There's a whole universe of investment opportunities out there, each with its own set of risks and rewards. From bonds and real estate to commodities and cryptocurrencies, the possibilities are endless. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Consider exploring index funds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds for a more passive investment approach. These vehicles offer instant diversification and professional management, making them suitable for investors of all experience levels. Remember, the key to successful investing is to find the right mix of assets that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced financial advisors who can help you create a personalized investment plan tailored to your unique needs and aspirations. The world of investing is vast and constantly evolving. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop exploring new horizons. With careful planning, informed decision-making, and a long-term perspective, you can navigate the complexities of the financial markets and pave the way for a secure and prosperous future.